Alright, this is a recording just to show you how to check out call recordings and do some QC on some leads. So you'll see this little icon right down here below called dialer reports. You can also find dialer reports by clicking on the start menu, going to all programs, and then looking for it in the list of programs. There it is again, dialer reports. You can also drag it out on your desktop. And here it is again down here on the taskbar. So if you're looking for a lead, for example, here's a phone number on a lead right here. We'll just copy this one, minimize, go back down to dialer reports. You see, dialer reports again, same thing. Search for a lead, paste into the phone section here, hit submit, and a lot of times it'll give you, sometimes it'll have multiple numbers in there, and so the last call date, you see how these two have no call dates. This one has the last call date right here. So that's pretty easy to figure out which one that is. And then you'll see down at the bottom, you'll see the recordings. Here's the recording. So if you want to listen to the recording,
Hi.
there it goes. It opens up in a new box. And these are just all the other calls that happened to it. It was for second, it dropped a PM, and then this is who was talking to them. This is how long the call was. Here's the disposition if you wanted to change it to the disposition. And then any information you want to get on it. So that's pretty much how you find the recordings. And sometimes there'll be multiple calls on the recording. Another way you can find the recordings is by anytime you see a phone number anywhere in the system. So like there's a phone number here. If you click on it, you can go to contact card. And then if you're in the contact card, you can also see the map of the house. And there's recordings here. And if there was a live transfer, there'd be a recording here and any information that we have on file for them. So again, anywhere you see a phone number, you could do it. So if we go to like also quality control right here, quality control, this is where the client refunds. So you can see in here, Eliana's in here refunding leads already too. So she's working on getting all of our refunds processed now. Again, you see a phone number here. You can click on the phone number, click on contact card, go to dialer recordings. You can look at the recordings, you can look at any information that's on the file, you can look at the maps. So again, the contact card is anywhere where you see a clickable phone number. So you can always use the search to find things. So if you're trying to find a lead in the lead tracker, and let's say you wanted to paste the search in the search, just like that, pulls it up. Now let's say you want to go back and you want to find a lead that was back in time. Then you can go yesterday, this week, last week, this month, last month, or custom, and put your own dates in there. And then it'll pull up information from the past. And then now I've taught you how to reach the contact card. You can find recordings and information there. I've also taught you how to go into dialer reports, search for a lead, paste it into phone number. Once you listen to a recording, you can do your investigation and know where things happened, know what happened on it.